It's the 1st of June here in South Texas, which means one thing: it is hot. That means I don't want to spend all of my time in my kitchen baking when I can make this easy and simple lemon lush cake. It's a no-bake dessert that requires little hands-on time but comes out so delicious. I promise you, you're gonna love this and your kids are gonna keep asking for it over and over and over. All right, let's get started. You want to start by making the crust. We're going to use graham crackers and pecans. So take one sleeve of the graham crackers and put it in a food processor, and you're going to pulse it until it's crumbs. All right, go ahead and add in 1 cup of pecans. Now you can either do this next step in another bowl or do it in this. I don't want to waste any more dishes, so I'm just going to pour my butter straight into here. This is 1 stick or half a cup of melted butter. And just mix that butter into the crumb mixture. Okay. Then you're going to pour this into a 9x13. You can grease the bottom if you want to, or don't. It's fine. Okay, you're going to spread this out into the bottom of your pan. One trick I like to use is using the bottom of a measuring cup. This just ensures that your crust is nice and flat and even, and it pushes it down to make sure that it does not crumble up when you're putting the rest of the toppings on. Once you're done forming the crust, it should look about like this. You're going to put it in your refrigerator for about an hour to let it firm up. You could also bake this in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes and then let it cool completely once you pull it out. But because I want it to be a truly no-bake cake recipe, I'm just going to put it into the refrigerator for about an hour. For this recipe, I like to use homemade whipped cream. You can buy the Ready Whip, the frozen containers of Ready Whip if you want to. I prefer having homemade whipped cream. It tastes so much better. So for that, all you need is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You'll need 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just going to beat this in a stand mixer until stiff peaks form in your whipped cream. That's all you have to do. It's pretty easy. It only takes about 5 minutes for your whipped cream to form up. So do this right before you're ready to make the rest of your ingredients and after your crust has sat for at least an hour in the fridge. All right, so this is ready to go. I do have some cream cheese here. It's 1 block or 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's been sitting at room temperature. You're going to put your cream cheese in a bowl and take 1 cup of powdered sugar. And you're going to mix this pretty well. Your cream cheese should be soft enough that the powdered sugar should mix into it fairly easily. I like to use a wooden spoon for this. If you did not make the heavy or the whipped cream in your stand mixer, you can use your stand mixer for this. Or you can clean out your stand mixer if you wanted to. Didn't want to do that. So I'm just kind of getting this cream cheese and the powdered sugar mixed together a little bit. It's very clumpy and that's okay. I'm going to take some of this whipped cream and add it to it, and then it'll help mix it all together. All right, so we're going to add about 1.5 cups of the whipped cream. All right, so I think I'm going to switch over to a whisk real quick just to get some of the clumps out. All right, you're going to smooth this on top of your crust. All right, so that's what it should look like. In the same bowl, we're not even going to wash it. We're just going to add the rest of the ingredients and then put that on top. All right, in the same bowl, I'm going to add 2 packets of vanilla pudding. You can use other kinds of pudding if you wanted to. This is a cheesecake type of dessert, so if you had a cheesecake flavored pudding, you can use that. These are the smaller boxes of pudding, and it's the instant. You need 2 of those. And to that, you're going to add in 3 cups of milk. I'm just making sure I get all of that cream cheese mixture mixed into this as well. All right. And then to that, you're going to fold in about 1 cup of the whipped cream. And just a little bit more. You want to make sure you save enough of the whipped cream for your topping. All right, then you're going to take this and pour this over the cream cheese mixture. All right, now to this you're going to use canned lemon pie filling. You could also do cherry if you want to, but lemon just feels like summer to me. You want to get this on as much of the cake as you can. It'll probably be somewhat of a thin layer. That's okay. Spread this out as much as possible. All right, and then on top of that, you're going to put the rest of your whipped cream. Okay, and you're going to spread this over the entire dessert. Okay, the final step is to take some chopped pecans and just sprinkle it over the top. All right, it really is that easy. So all we're gonna do now is cover this with saran wrap, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for another 4 hours to let that pudding set up. After 4 hours or overnight, you can enjoy it. So I actually let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, and we're gonna taste it now. This lemon flavor is one of my favorite ones. Like I said, you can do this with cherry or apple or any other pie filling that you would like. We just like the lemon. That's so bright and refreshing. This is perfect for a hot summer day. You should definitely give this a try. If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And please go ahead and like and subscribe. That really does help me grow my channel. And I appreciate everything that you do. Thank you.